the Gulf of Mexico, a place of immense beauty, a vital resource for millions. This vast body of water, nestled in the southeastern embrace of North America, is a treasure trove of life and economic opportunity. Its warm waters lap the shores of 5 U.S. states. Mexico finds its eastern border defined by the Gulf's curve. To the south, the Yucatan Peninsula reaches out, a slender arm of land separating the Gulf from the Caribbean Sea. The Gulf of Mexico is a place of ancient history. Its depths hold secrets of lost civilizations. Indigenous peoples have lived along its shores for millennia, their lives intertwined with its rhythms. Today, the Gulf remains a vibrant hub of human activity, a crossroads of culture and commerce. But this natural wonder faces challenges. Pollution, climate change, and overfishing threaten its delicate balance. The future of the Gulf of Mexico depends on our actions, our understanding of its importance, and our commitment to its preservation. Let us embark on a journey of discovery to explore the wonders of the Gulf of Mexico and understand the crucial role we play into its future. The Gulf of Mexico is a place of dramatic contrasts. Shallow, sun-drenched waters give way to depths that plunge thousands of meters. The continental shelf, a gentle slope extending outwards from the land, transitions abruptly into the abyssal plain, a world of perpetual darkness. The Mississippi River, a giant among rivers, pours its lifeblood into the Gulf. Its waters, laden with sediments and nutrients, create a fertile delta, a haven for countless species. Submarine canyons carved by ancient currents scar the seabed, their walls teeming with hidden life. And then there's the Sigsbee Deep. This underwater abyss, the deepest point in the Gulf, descends to over 4,000 meters. It's a realm of immense pressure and eternal darkness, home to creatures rarely glimpsed by human eyes. The Gulf of Mexico is a tapestry of diverse habitats, each with its own unique character. From the sun-kissed beaches to the mysterious depths, the Gulf is a world of endless exploration. The Gulf of Mexico teems with life. Its warm waters support a dazzling array of marine creatures, from microscopic plankton to giant whale sharks. Coral reefs, vibrant underwater cities, provide shelter and sustenance to a kaleidoscope of fish. Dolphins, graceful ambassadors of the sea, patrol the waters, their clicks and whistles echoing through the depths. Sea turtles, ancient mariners, glide through the currents, their journeys spanning thousands of miles. Manatees, gentle giants, graze on seagrass beds, their slow movements a testament to their peaceful nature. The Gulf's estuaries, where fresh water and salt water mingle, are nurseries of life. Shrimp, crabs and fish find refuge in these productive waters, their abundance supporting a complex web of predators. Wading birds, their long legs perfectly adapted for shallow waters, stalk their prey, while pelicans, with their distinctive pouches, dive-bomb schools of fish. The Gulf of Mexico is a symphony of life, a delicate balance of interconnected ecosystems. Its biodiversity is a testament to its health and a vital resource for the future. The Gulf of Mexico is an economic engine. Its rich resources support millions of livelihoods. Fishing, tourism, and oil and gas extraction are pillars of the region's economy, their influence extending far beyond its shores. The Gulf's fisheries are among the most productive in the world. Shrimp, oysters, and fish from these waters grace tables across the globe, providing sustenance and economic opportunity. Coastal communities, their economies intertwined with the sea, rely on the bounty of the Gulf for their livelihoods. Tourism is another vital industry. The Gulf's warm waters, sandy beaches, and vibrant culture attract millions of visitors each year. From bustling beach towns to secluded islands, the Gulf offers a diverse range of experiences, generating billions of dollars in revenue and supporting countless jobs. The Gulf of Mexico is an economic powerhouse, its resources fueling prosperity, but this prosperity must be balanced with sustainability, ensuring that future generations can continue to benefit from its bounty. Section 5. The shadow of disaster, oil spills and their devastating impact. The Gulf of Mexico, a source of life and prosperity, bears the scars of human activity. Oil spills, a constant threat, have cast a long shadow over the region, their consequences echoing through the ecosystem. The Deepwater Horizon disaster of 2010, a stark reminder of the risks associated with offshore drilling, released millions of barrels of oil into the Gulf, its impact felt for years to come. The spill's devastation extended far beyond the immediate kill zone, affecting marine life, coastal communities, and the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Oil, a toxic intruder in this aquatic world, coats the feathers of birds, suffocating them. It contaminates the food chain, poisoning marine life from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. Coastal communities, their livelihoods dependent on the sea, face economic hardship as fisheries collapse and tourism dwindles. The Gulf of Mexico, though resilient, bears the scars of these disasters. The fight to restore its health and prevent future spills is ongoing, a testament to the importance of responsible resource management. Section 6. Disappearing coastlines, the battle against erosion. The Gulf of Mexico's coastline, a dynamic interface between land and sea, is under constant threat. Erosion, a natural process exacerbated by human activity, is reshaping the Gulf's shores, swallowing beaches, eroding wetlands, and threatening coastal communities. Sea level rise, driven by climate change, is accelerating erosion, pushing the sea further inland. Hurricanes, a regular occurrence in the Gulf, intensify erosion, their powerful waves carving away at the coastline. Human development, often encroaching too close to the water's edge, disrupts natural defenses, leaving the coast vulnerable. Louisiana's coastline, particularly vulnerable due to its low elevation and subsiding land, is disappearing at an alarming rate. Wetlands, vital buffers against storms and nurseries for marine life, are vanishing, their loss impacting the entire ecosystem. Protecting the Gulf's coastline is a complex challenge requiring a combination of natural and engineered solutions. Restoring wetlands, building seawalls, and retreating from vulnerable areas are all part of the fight to preserve this vital resource. Section 7. A changing climate, new challenges for the Gulf. The Gulf of Mexico, like all of Earth's oceans, is feeling the effects of climate change. Rising sea levels, ocean acidification, and warming waters are altering the delicate balance of this vital ecosystem, posing new challenges for its inhabitants. Warmer waters, less hospitable to many marine species, are causing shifts in distribution, with some species moving to cooler waters, while others struggle to adapt. Ocean acidification, caused by the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, threatens coral reefs and other marine organisms that rely on calcium carbonate to build their skeletons. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes and droughts, are becoming more frequent and intense, impacting coastal communities, disrupting ecosystems, and exacerbating existing threats like erosion and pollution. The Gulf of Mexico, facing these unprecedented challenges, is a microcosm of the global climate crisis. Addressing climate change through global cooperation and sustainable practices is essential for the long-term health of the Gulf and the planet. Section 8. Protecting our paradise conservation efforts in action. The Gulf of Mexico, facing a multitude of threats, is the focus of intensive conservation efforts. Scientists, policymakers, and communities are working together to protect this vital resource. Their actions are testament to the Gulf's importance and the hope for its future. Marine protected areas, designated zones where fishing and other activities are restricted, provide safe havens for marine life, allowing populations to recover and ecosystems to thrive. Restoration projects, ambitious undertakings to repair damaged habitats, are bringing back vital ecosystems like oyster reefs and seagrass beds. Sustainable fishing practices aimed at reducing bycatch and preventing overfishing are ensuring that fish stocks remain healthy and that fishing communities can continue to rely on the Gulf's bounty. Efforts to reduce pollution from land-based sources such as agricultural runoff and industrial discharge are improving water quality and protecting marine life. The future of the Gulf of Mexico depends on the continued success of these conservation efforts. Public awareness, education, and engagement are crucial for ensuring that the Gulf remains a vibrant and healthy ecosystem for generations to come. Section 9. The future of the Gulf, a shared responsibility. The Gulf of Mexico, a place of immense beauty, ecological importance, and economic significance, stands at a crossroads. Its future hinges on the choices we make today, the actions we take, and the commitment we show to its preservation. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, transitioning to renewable energy sources, and mitigating the effects of climate change are paramount for the long-term health of the Gulf. Supporting sustainable fishing practices, promoting responsible tourism, and reducing pollution from all sources are essential for protecting its delicate ecosystems. The Gulf of Mexico is not just a body of water, it's a shared resource, a source of life and livelihoods for millions. Its future is intertwined with our own, its fate dependent on our actions. Let us be stewards of this precious resource, ensuring that its wonders continue to inspire and sustain us for generations to come.